This is an unparalleled sector where people can become billionaires overnight. In this world, ideas often surpass business fundamentals, and showmanship can be more important than competence. Today in Silicon Valley, innovation is rewarded for storytelling and authentic genius looks. Venture capitalists and founders have a symbiotic relationship. VCs crave radical ideas, and founders seek to start businesses with the other people's money. Unprofitable companies survive on capital injections, inflated valuations, and media hype, aiming to last until IPO and acquisition. This allure keeps fresh grads flowing into the sector, with founders and VCs replying to each other for capital, talent, and mentorship. Despite many VCs lacking tech backgrounds, both parties aim for big wins, creating a constant pool of aspiring founders and investors. When tech's outlook dims, a new growth story emerges. In 2022, as interest went in big data and SaaS, AI became the new focus. Big data once promised deep insight and innovation but struggled to deliver. Enter ChatGPT, and AI quickly became the latest tech trend. Tech companies rebranded as AI-focused, and the public sector was courted with the performances before Congress, leading to widespread AI hype. This episode will explore how AI is just the latest in a series of overhyped tech trends like crypto, Web3, blockchain, and more. We will dive into the real market dynamics behind these trends, starting with the big data and why AI might be another bump and dump. The late 2000s brought genuine innovation with smartphones, tablets, and mobile internet, creating a new markets. The new startups like Groupon, Panda, Yelp, and Grubhub emerges, leveraging user data for targeted services. By the early 2010s, data was heralded as the key to unlocking the business value, leading to the surge of consumer startups funded by venture capital. These startups, unlike early movers, spent heavily on advertising to acquire users, justifying it as a necessity for data collection and product improvement. The narratives of data-driven success permeated S1 feeling of tech IPOs, yet not all startups thrived. Established giants like Facebook, Amazon, and Google showcase data's power, but the tech industry is not a magical frontier. Only a few can truly win. The following episode will delve into these market dynamics and the cycles of tech trends from a big data to AI. FANG stocks were seen a gold standard, leading startups to believe that data-driven strategies would replicate their success. The idea was that even a fraction of FANG's achievement would be enough for an IPO. However, many consumer startups struggled by the mid-2010s, often failing to deliver real value beyond the heavy advertising and subsidies. The hype shifted to a big data, with Silicon Valley claiming that more data and advanced tools were the key to success. Despite this, many startups, including Groupon, Zynga, Wayfair, Blue Apron, and the others, continue to face financial issues despite their data investments. Fortune 500 companies fearing obsolescence invested heavily in big data to compete with tech startups, driving up demand for data professionals and fueling the rise of B2B enterprise startups offering big data solutions. While these corporations had the resources to spend on these tools, the effectiveness of big data is transforming consumer startups remained questionable. By the early 2020s, the big data narrative went as the consumer startups failed to show meaningful results. The real winners were enterprise startups, which saw significant valuation increase due to their reliability to provide ready-to-use data solutions. The rise of big data promises to revolutionize business with the deep insight from massive data sets. However, this promise largely went unfulfilled, by many companies failing to see real business value. This trend has shifted to AI, which is now the focus of similar hype. Developers companies are heavily invested into AI tools and technologies, driven by the desire to enhance resumes and secure better job prospectus, much like with the big data before. The tech industry has become tribal, with engineers and companies championing certain tools and platforms to align with their career goals. Enterprise vendor and cloud providers invest heavily to courting developers and adopt their technologies, creating a cycle of hype and inflated expectations. AI, like a big data, is surrounded by promises of hidden value and innovation, but there is a skepticism about its actual impact. The current narrative suggests that AI can unlock insight from complex data that humans cannot interpret. Yet the same issues of exaggerated claims and lack of tangible results are emerging. The market dynamics are repeating, with startups and tech giants profiting from the hype, while public investors and employees often face disappointments. The historical pattern of technological fears indicates that AI might follow the same trajectory as big data. Lots of talk with the minimal actual business improvements. So guys, this is our today's video. If you really like and enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon button to get informed about our latest videos. So thanks for watching.